Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix games crashing on your Xbox Series X, Series S or Xbox One. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. The best way to start would be to close and reopen the game if you haven't already. Open the Xbox menu, then find the game and hold the start button on it and choose quit. Now try opening the game again and see if it works. Next, we'll try and see if there's any updates available for the game. Often games will not load or crash when the game is outdated. To manually check for updates, open up the menu by pressing the Xbox button on your controller. Head to My Games and Apps in the Home tab, and then choose See All. Within here, choose Manage from the list on the left and then select Updates. You should now be able to manage the game updates and start them installing from here if there are any updates available. If there were no available updates, I'd now recommend researching the specific game online to see if there's any current issues with it, or if others have had a similar problem in the past. There might be more relevant solutions that are only for the exact game you're playing. There could also be issues with Xbox or their live services, so check for these as well. Next, it's a good idea to check your internet connection. Open the Xbox menu, then choose Settings from the Profile page, which is the furthest right tab. Within the settings, choose Network Settings in the General section, and then select Test Network Connection. Allow this to complete, and if everything is fine, we can move on. If it shows a problem with your connection, you'll need to switch your attention to this to fix the problem. The next method is to restart your Xbox console. Turn off the console as normal, wait a few seconds and disconnect the power from it. Then wait a few more seconds and reconnect and turn the console back on and test the game. Next, you could try using a different profile on your Xbox. If you only have one, then there's no need to do this, but open the Xbox menu, then head to the right tab called Profile, and then select Add or Switch and choose a different profile. You could also try removing and adding the profile again as well. You could try reinstalling the game. This one could take a while if you have a slow connection, but it can be done by finding the game, then by holding the Start button on it to bring up the menu. Then head to Manage Game and Add-ons, and you can uninstall all from here. But before you do this, work out if you have game saves that you know are stored locally on the console, in which case I'd recommend not doing this. You can also go to the Saved Data section and delete this instead, but again, don't do this if game saves are stored locally on your Xbox, as they may be deleted. Try the game again after this, and if you need to now reinstall the whole game, this can be done from the store or from your Games and Apps page. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.